Well, Shakey's V-League on NBN come Tuesday, 2 p.m. It's going to be Ateneo versus Lyceum. And Buttercup, what do you have for us in this third set?
Ito nga si Coach Roger Banzuela, sabi niya sa akin na nag-iba na daw ang ihip ng hangin ng volleyball sa Bacolod ever since sumali sila dito sa Shakey's V-League 3 years ago. Sabi niya, it has become such an inspiration for upcoming players na they wanted to be part of the roster ng USLS para lang makalaro dito sa Shakey's V-League in Manila. Now, sabi naman niya na speaking of upcoming players, tinanong ko nga to, sino ba tong si Jade Hare? Now, sabi niya, last year, nag-hold daw siya ng outreach activity and may dumating nga daw mga guest na athletics galing sa US and kasama nga dito si Jade Hare. Now, sabi niya, itong si Jade Hare, 17 years old, came from Idaho, na-convince daw nila to stay here and play for them for V-League. Now, sabi niya, ito ang magiging challenge nila. They want her to stay na rin and study college in USLS para na rin makapaglaro sa kanila in the long haul, guys.
Well, knowing Coach Roger Valenzuela, magaling mag-train yan. In no time, pagbalik dito niyan, naku, malamang down na yung palo niyan.
Ayun nga, but the first challenge that they need to, overcome, yun munang convincing
So
her
make
to
her
actually stay.
Sarap kaya sa Philippines.
Ang sarap pa ng food sa Bacolod.
Oh, tama ka dyan. Inasal galore. Oh, that was Mia Kalim, ha?
People might call buttercup
Buttercup
na yung itawag sa kanya ngayon.
Well, it's fun family pizza. It's gotta be Shakey's. Aplaska on the serve, but an error. But still up by 6 points early on in this third set is USLS. Sade on the line. Nice sharp serve. A push coming from NU.
Oh.
And the point goes to NU. It's called
go
4
over.
touches. Yeah, it did go over. Santa is still on the line for NU. And you have Jesta inside for the Lady Bulldogs. So, dalawa na yung binago ni Coach Francis. You have Jesta inside, you have Mandapat.
Well, I think right now he's just really trying to find the right mix of players inside the court that would deliver him the point.
Delondindo almost taking that ball. Nahiya lang sa atin.
Oo. Si Barry kasi naririnig na niya yung bola.
Nahiya na konti sa torn among the roses. So, point goes to the Lady Bulldogs once again. Now just down by 4 points. So, yung Lady Bulldogs, they have to at least address some of the problems. Like yung first ball, sabi mo, yun ang pinakamahirap sa lahat eh. As we see, take a look at this last play coming from Denila. Pero this is important, yung blocking, especially when Tintin is in front, yan yung mga scores that you want to maximize from her.
And in that last play, actually si Dindin humabol na nga lang. In fact, she wasn't really in the right position, pero nakuha pa rin yung bola.
Mandapat, a bit short was that set. Free ball, Tiangco gives it to Dindin Santiago, and Tiangco turning into a setter in that last play, but reading it well was the Lady Stingers. Denila on to serve. Tiangco was there. Dindin Santiago pushing it. Orinda in. Genres digging it. Mandapat on the open hit. No go. 4 touches called. Point is awarded to USLS.
Now, NU really has to step up at this point. It's already the third set. Their final chance, actually, to try and extend the game. They need one good reception to set up a good play.
Oh, single block, but that goes out. Mandapat to serve for the Lady Bulldogs. Easily taken by USLS. Pati Orindain. Dug up by Mandapat. Nepomuceno on the attack. Through the blockers. Hingpit and Dolar gets that point. Just a 3-point lead now for the Lady Stingers, and
At this from Nepomuceno.
pinadaan niya dun sa smaller Hingpit, dun sa setter ng USLS. Oh, and Denila, great dig! On the second try, Santiago sending it wild, sending it long.
Slightly just beyond the end line.
Credit that point to Denila. Hingpit to serve. Generous is there. Not the best set. Nepomuceno wasn't able to get to it. But the violation called, so it's going to be NU ball. Diesta on the line. Grace Diesta. Oh! An ace coming from Grace Diesta.
Right now, NU needs all the points that they can get.
Don't look now, it's just a 2-point lead for the Lady Stingers.
First thing they need to work on is to tie the score with USLS, who has had a comfortable lead all throughout the third set.
And Dindin Santiago on the push.
Bianco for the setup.
Miss it, but then it's still playable. Oh, Pati Orindain. From the approach alone, you knew it was going to be a powerful one. Let's take a look at it once more. May approach niya. Ang laki nung last step, oh.
And the swing.
The swing.
That's where she gets her momentum from.
Dolar. Dug up by Diesta. Nepomuceno. Nice approach. Results to a kill for Kai Nepomuceno.
And of course, Bianco seems to be well adjusted in her setting job.
The official Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Hello to you, Willie Ortiz, Sir Willie of Axel. Dindin Santiago still on the line for NU, and they are just down by a point. A set where they have to get this set to maintain, to stay in this game. Ang hirap to be down by 2 games in this elimination round because you have only about 4 games.
And what you want to make sure of is that you win each and every game. Maganda yung nakalamang ka na agad kesa yung hahabulin mo pa.
That's right. And now USLS up by 2 as we go into our second technical timeout. We shall return.